repair and rehabilitation we can say. Why we will see? For suppose here we are having two types of construction. Generally in highway engineering there is one topic, that is flexible pavement and rigid pavement. Flexible pavement is nothing but tar, that is bituminous, okay, and rigid pavements are concrete blocks, okay. Now if you see, the maintenance cost will be more as compared to the flexible pavement. Because why? First suppose, generally we can see in our college construction or wherever we can see, if there is a crack, after 1 year or like that, the crack will be developed here, means the crack will have some movement, it will pass to the entire structure. So here what we have to do, the maintenance work whatever it is there, it will cost more. Here maintenance cost will be increased, obviously maintenance cost will be increased, and maintenance work also will be increased. So for this purpose we are applying the blocks, okay. Now their width is usually not more than 15 meter. How much? 15 meter we can say. In large dams, maximum height of single pour of concrete is usually 1.5 meter, means maximum height we can say, okay. That width whatever it is there, it is 1.5 meter or so. Now the alternate blocks of vary. First layer which is laid immediately over the rock foundation is 0.75 meter, means for suppose see here, whatever the for suppose see here, this is the height of the dam, okay, and beside the foundation whatever it is there, for suppose if it is a rock foundation, okay, the beside of that one, it may be maximum up to 0.75 meter. How much here he said? 1.5 meter. But beside the dam it is only 0.75 meter. The dam sections are poured alternately so that each block is permitted to stand several days before another layer is poured on top of the first layer. Means for suppose if one has completed, immediately we can't start next one, because whenever we are constructing our what we can say concreting, next we have to go for curing purpose. For suppose if it is there any you can say, okay, other works will be there, slab work, curing work, water joints work will be there. We have to complete these out, and then we have to go for next one. Like this we have to go step to step, okay. Now care must be taken to protect individual dam section from drying action of air by ensuring full-fledged curing. Just now I said, whatever it is there, curing is much important. Which is important? Curing is much important. Based on our curing only, our strength and everything will be depend here. After the shutterings are removed. Shuttering means okay. Before shuttering whatever it is there to stand our water, to to make perfect shape, these all we will use for our shuttering. The lateral forces on each section are painted with an asphaltic emulsion paints so as to prevent it adherence the adjoining sections and thus serve as construction joints. Means construction joints we have to make paint with bitumen. Okay, this is this one we can see here. What he is doing here, he is making painting here. Why he is making painting? The joints whatever it is there, it will be closed, and the cracks won't develop here. Okay, that is his point here. Okay, the shutterings means whatever the, for suppose if block 1 has completed, block 2 has started, block 2 has started, upon these joints what we will provide, we will provide bituminous painting here. Okay, by bituminous painting what will happen, it will be increase our means sorry, it will be reduce cracking. Okay, it will be reduce gangrene. If reducing cracking means what, obviously whenever we are providing bitumen here, he see here what this person is doing, bitumen painting he is making. Okay, whenever he is doing, if you see here in this location there are some cracks. Whenever he is making sorry, whenever he is making painting with bitumen, what will happen, cracks will be reduced one first, and second one is somehow we can increase the strength of our concrete also, somehow we can increase our strength of our concrete also. Next, the vertical joints so developed are called transfer joints. Whatever the vertical joints are there, for suppose see here vertical joints means how will be there, 1 2 3, okay, these are all called transfer joints, and they run through the entire height of the dam. Means for suppose see here, uh, already I have shown this diagram for you. Once again I will show here. Okay, let us go back. See here. Here we are having two types of joints. One is horizontal joints and another one is vertical joints. If you see here vertical joints, how much height we have provided here? 0.75 meter. Just now I have said for you. Exact rock behind how much here there it is there. That one we have to provide 0.75, and the remaining all see how much here it is there, 1.5 meter. And if you see here, there he said maximum 15 meter, but we have provided here 15.3 meter. That is based on length of the dam. He has checked this one. Okay, and see here, vertical transfer joint 15 to 30 meter apart. See here, if it is starting from ground level and it is going up to the top level, it is going up to the top level. So, okay, means whatever transfer joints it is there, it should go up to the top level. And this is about transfer joints. Okay, to show this diagram, I have opened this all. I think this is common if I am making more slides. Next time I will try to decrease the slides. Only the purpose is means in one single PPT we will have entire module. Like that I thought better to change this one. Okay. Now transfer joints will thus divide the dam length into a number of vertical cantilever, each of which is independent, and other justifying two-dimensional analysis of dam. Just now we have seen the plan of that transfer joints, how it is there. Each one is having similar distance. For suppose starting it is 0.75 meter and remaining all are 1.5 meter. Means generally we will say it as vertical cantilever also we can say. Okay. Now here cracks somehow he is shown. Okay, cut with bolster then jointing tool. Next one is socket. Next one is pressed metal. Okay, induced crack. If you see here, cutting is done at top. Where cutting has done? At the top location. But downside what is happening? Crack has developed. Means if you see concrete, especially for concrete, what will happen? If there is some, like you can say, okay, cutting or socket or pressing metal, whatever it is, whenever we are making inside, means inside the dam or inside the concrete, there will generate small, it will generate small cracks. Okay, what is this bolster? Here you can see this is our bolster image. Okay, here he is having cutting edge, striking head, main body. Okay, and this is saw cutting you can say. Okay, and this is pressing metal. This is our pressing metal. Generally for pressing metal or pressed metal, okay, made by key. For